what you do next is you go to this website, SciSpace, which is one of the artificial intelligence models that I most frequently use. And as you can see, you can, if you had this video, and we have that, we have the video, and we could get the link. Okay, copy the link, and then go here and try. Not always it works, but you can try to tell the system to read directly the video. As I said, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but this way that I'm showing you works. So I'm going to go with upload a PDF, and I'm going to save it on my geology papers. Done. And here is the document already. And right here to the right, this is the magic. This is what is going to save you a lot of time.